Welcome to Falcon TV. Subscribe to the channel to stay informed and inspire us.
Spiders have fascinated and frightened humankind since ancient times. These tiny terrors with their silk-trapping webs hold an important place across habitats as both predators and prey. Here are 50 facts about spider anatomy, physiology, hunting strategies, symbolism and misconceptions. There are over 45,000 known spider species, making them the second most diverse group after insects. Spiders exist on every continent except Antarctica. Spiders have unique anatomy, including a fused head and thorax called a cephalothorax and an unsegmented abdomen joined by a thin stalk-like pedicel. Most spiders have 8 simple eyes on their cephalothorax, providing them different focus capabilities. Some have poor vision, relying on vibrations. Jumping spiders have excellent vision for stalking prey. Spider silk produced from abdominal spinnerets is stronger than steel gram for gram. It is used for web building and egg cocoons. Some silk can also bind wounds. Male spiders are typically smaller than females in most species. Males also have specialized pedipalps to transfer sperm during mating. Females have egg-laying organs called epigynes. Funnel weaver spiders use finely spun tripwires extending from their funnels to signal when prey has been ensnared in their friction-trapping webs. Vibrations travel down silk threads, alerting them. The diving bell spider builds an underwater bubble web filled with air. It refills bubbles carried on the underside of its abdomen, periodically returning to the surface. Female spiders produce clusters of soft oval eggs wrapped in a silk bundle that they diligently guard. Young spiders pass through various instars, molting their exoskeletons as they grow. Spiders paralyze prey by injecting venom with their movable fangs. Venom potency varies greatly between species, from harmless to lethal against certain organisms. Tarantulas use their fangs and forelegs to pin down prey while secreting digestive enzymes onto the victim's body. This liquefies the insides, allowing the tarantula to drink its meal. The Goliath bird-eater spider from South America weighs up to 6 ounces with leg span up to 12 inches, making it the largest spider species. It mainly eats insects and small mammals. Most spiders play important roles controlling insect populations as predators. Their webs also passively trap plant-eating arthropods, helping protect crops. Spider meaning and symbolism varies across cultures, from dread and danger to patience and protection in the form of guardian spirits or gods like Anansi the trickster. The majority of spiders hunt alone, and many species are cannibalistic, making it advantageous for them to disperse widely. Webs help spiders avoid each other while trapping food. Jumping spiders have some of the best vision among invertebrates, including 4 large front-facing eyes. This allows them to accurately stalk and leap onto prey. Australia's funnel web spiders are among the most toxic to humans. Anti-venom was developed in 1981, and only 13 recorded deaths have occurred since its introduction. Spider webs need to balance strength and flexibility to absorb the impact of flying prey. They are made of complex compound silks combining toughness and stretchiness. The tiny Patu digua spider found in China builds invisible web traps using ultraviolet reflective silk impossible for prey to see. Some spiders, like the bolus spider, release pheromones mimicking female moths to attract male moths as prey. A line of silk ensnares the lured victims. Jumping spiders have color vision unlike most arthropods. This grants them better accuracy in stalking their targets. Their large front eyes have exceptional clarity. To trap terrestrial prey, crab spiders don't make webs. They ambush prey and can walk sideways or backwards like a crab to avoid detection thanks to lateral-grade legs. The net-casting spider creates a small adhesive web stretched between its front legs, then lunges to envelope prey when nearby. The sticky silk traps victims against the ground. Male spiders identify potential mates by plucking special signaling threads placed in rivals' webs, then following the vibrations back to the source. Only a few spiders, like the Brazilian wandering spider, actively hunt for prey over long distances. Most create traps in ambushes near their shelters. The Australian huntsman spider travels at high speed across vertical and inverted surfaces, making it an agile hunter. Its top speed exceeds 3 feet per second. Bright colors and patterns on some spiders, like the black widow, serve as warning signs to predators of their venom toxicity, making them less appetizing as prey. The bronze jumper spider doesn't spin webs and instead camouflages itself by covering its body in dead ant carcasses, acting like grisly armor. Female trapdoor spiders spend their entire adult lives in a silk burrow with just one opening for prey and no other exits. Some live 20 years without ever leaving their holes. The lace-like orb weaver's web uses a combination of dry and sticky capture silks. Prey immediately adhere to the gluey strands while dry threads retain hold without stickiness. Daddy longlegs are not actually spiders but belong to the Apiliones order. Unlike spiders, they have no silk or venom, but some can emit foul odors as a defense. Though all spiders can bite, only a few dozen species worldwide have seriously harmful venom that poses risk to healthy adult humans, like the Brazilian wandering spider. The water spider is the only species that spends its life hunting underwater. It creates a diving bell web filled with air carried by waterproof leg hairs. The golden silk orb weaver produces vibrant yellow-colored webs. The Annamite striped rabbit was first discovered when scientists spotted one in a golden web in Vietnam. Spider blood is pale blue due to the copper present in hemocyanin proteins rather than iron-rich hemoglobin like in human blood cells. This helps oxygen transport. Only the largest web-building spiders like the golden silk orb weaver successfully spin webs between detached trees and branches blowing in the wind. Tiny male spiders must approach larger aggressive females carefully during mating using ritualized dances and foreplay signaling to avoid being mistakenly eaten. The woodlouse hunter spiders penetrate armored woodlice prey using both fangs and mouthpart appendages together, alternating their attacks until creating an opening through repeated stabbing. Some spiders like the spitting spider have modified fangs they use to spray venom droplets or webbing at threats up to several inches away as a unique defense. The Luridia social spider live in large family colonies up to thousands strong. They cooperate, sharing web building, prey capture and offspring care duties. Fossil evidence like the 300-million-year-old Archaeocaris arachnids confirms primitive spiders crept the earth alongside early insects over 300 million years ago. Spider habitats range from arid deserts to freezing subarctic, tropical forests, underground burrows, termite mounds, caves, intertidal zones and coral reefs. Female black widow spiders are notorious for eating their mates after copulation. But few actually display such sexual cannibalism, making the frequency of this overstated. Some spiders like the ogre-faced spider build minimal webs, instead throwing silk-wrapped prey into their nests from a distance then retrieving it. They also bite prey firmly to inject venom. Tiny male dwarf spiders must approach larger females cautiously and lure them into their sperm webs using courtship vibrations to avoid being mistaken for prey and killed. The net-casting spider builds no web but holds a rectangular-shaped net of silk between its front four legs, then flings itself onto passing prey, trapping victims against the ground. All spiders produce silk, and many use a variety of silks for varied purposes to build webs, wrap eggs, make burrows, capture prey, attach to surfaces, disperse in wind, and even as lifelines. Camel spiders are not true spiders but instead solpugids, a separate ancient arachnid order lacking silk glands and venom. Their large jaw size promotes the biting myth. Only female spiders weave webs and deploy silk. Male spiders have modified pedipalp appendages used to transfer sperm to females during mating. There are over 3,000 described tarantula species, but most are harmless to humans. Their intimidating size causes fear, but they rarely bite and have weak venom toxic only to small animals. Spider venoms have attracted interest for use in insecticides and medicine development. Protein-based components may have therapeutic applications if safely harnessed. Spiders are unique organisms with specialized tools for hunting, defense and reproduction. Overcoming fear of spiders means understanding they play vital ecological roles across diverse habitats.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you.